Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you the best settings for Overwatch in SteelSeries Sonar. So it is pretty simple and easy to use. Just go to my description and click on the link. As you can see, this is how you will be able to import the config and just click save. And here, if you don't want to click on the link, you can just copy my points on this graph. As you see, just you can pause the video on these points. And here, as you can see, bass at 0 decibels, but I like a little bit higher, like at 2. Voice at 0, and treble can be a little bit higher at 1.5. And spatial audio, it is on performance, -7, and distance, 85. If you don't like it, you can turn it off. It doesn't make any that much difference. And here volume boost at 0 decibels and smart volume is turned off. So that's the settings for Overwatch in SteelSeries Sonar. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.